Okay, so other countries, from today, Thailand has now scrapped everything. So you can go to Thailand without any COVID, without PCR test, anything. Malaysia is the same, Vietnam is the same. 3 countries in Asia that have scrapped all entry requirements. The Philippines.
Oh, Philippines. Okay.
So we're rolling. Rolling. So hello, Sarah.
And
Alex, and you're both 20. And what are you doing in Cebu?
I've been here for a long time, studying.
So what do you study?
Computer science.
Computer science.
Bachelor. College.
And how many years have you done?
First year only.
Oh, it's
1 year, yeah.
Oh, sorry, 1 year.
Yeah.
And how's it going?
Very hard, but it's fun.
And what is your favourite part of the course?
I'm making some programs and
Okay.
websites.
Okay, websites, brilliant. That all sounds wonderful.
Yeah, but it's very hard though. Yeah, I'm Alex.
And
Yeah, I'm not studying here.
right.
So I've been staying here in 2 months for training in my business.
Okay, what's your business?
I am a business development in Railway company, international.
So you're what, 20 years old?
Yeah. Yeah.
And you're so advanced. That is brilliant. That is brilliant. So can I ask you a question about face masks in Cebu?
So for the past month, it's been voluntary. People are still wearing face masks.
What do you feel about that?
It's for the protection because I think COVID is still around us and it's still increasing.
Increasing?
Yeah.
Really?
In my school, it just someone got COVID. That's why we're back to online.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so
But I think it's all it's because of they are they're into face masks. They're not prepared to take that off because its first reason is insecurities. Insecurities. And
yeah.
Yeah, they're into it. It's their decision. Maybe when the COVID stops.
It won't stop. COVID's always going to be around, that's my point. It's, you know, so are people just going to carry on wearing masks for the rest of their lives?
But I think just in here in the, surrounded places.
Okay.
We doesn't even know if some of the person is healthy or not, or they're sick or not. That's why.
Okay.
That's why we have to prioritize ourselves to be healthy, to stay healthy. Even though there's we don't know if there's any COVID here in the Philippines.
Yeah. You're just protecting yourselves. Yeah, okay, that's a fair point.
Yeah. First priority is protecting ourselves.
Exactly, your health,
and we also helping other people to stay safe.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, everyone is breathing. That's why we need face masks.
Okay, good point. So, okay, thank you, ladies.
Thank you very much. Oh my God!
Wait, she has one as well.
I have a calling number. Oh.
Don't miss out on quality broadcasting. Please like and subscribe to Bigg World Cinema. Thank you. Hello, what's your name, sir?
My name is Jerry.
And where are you from?
Cebu City.
How long have you lived here all your life?
Yes, sir. I lived here for 45 years.
You're 45 years young.
Yes.
So you have family?
I have 5 kids.
5 children?
Yes.
Boys, girls?
4 boys and twins and 1 girl.
And what's their ages? Can you tell them?
So the eldest is 11 years old, and the youngest right here, this is Jaram.
Yeah. Hello.
Say hi, Jaram. 3 years old.
3 years old. What a big boy you are. So, what do you think of Cebu as a home?
Lovely place. I lived in Singapore for a couple of years, but I love Cebu. I love Cebu.
What do you like about Cebu?
There's a lot of Marites, bloggers and everything in between. The food and the place, the people.
Yeah, and you've travelled outside?
I did.
Where have you been in the past?
Malaysia and Indonesia.
And can I ask you your job?
I'm an IT specialist.
Okay.
And I got my own business.
Yeah.
It's called Cebu CCTV.
Okay.
That's my business.
Okay. Can I ask you about the mask situation in Cebu? So for a month now, it's been voluntary
Right.
of wearing a masks. Why do you think people are still wearing masks?
It's crazy. I mean, habit. I don't want to wear a mask, but it's like for the past 2 years, it's implanted in your brain that you need to wear it. And I don't know, like it's an instinct or a habit that you need to do every day. But for me, I really want to take it off. But it's just this habit is very hard to eliminate. Maybe after 2 months or 3 months, I'm not gonna be wearing this anymore.
So from today, Thailand has dropped all their COVID requirements for foreigners, but the Philippines still insists you have the vaccine and a booster to come into the country.
Right, and that's really bizarre. I mean, for me, I think COVID-19 is already an endemic, so there's nothing to fear of. You don't have to wear a mask or you don't have to take a vaccine. That's for my own opinion.
Yeah.
And for a little research, you just really have to live normally because pandemic is endemic now. I mean, the COVID-19.
But a lot of the people are sort of like sheep. They're still following each other in wearing the face mask.
That's very true, and I'm very sad for that. Like me as well, I'm one of them. Maybe, hopefully, I can change my mind.
Yeah.
2 months from now after this book.
So you should stop wearing your mask, and then everyone will follow you, sir.
I will stop.
Yay! Thank you. The champion! The champion! The champion! Going again? You going again? One more.
One more. Ihagit kita, Rigon. One more job. Okay. Batang Cebu. Okay. Balik. Okay. Balik. Okay. Ayan.
I'll give you my card.
Card. Money card.
No money. I don't have money. I'm not that rich. Next year I'll give you money when I'm rich.
Okay.
Big World Cinema.
Where are you from?
From England. Say it. Please subscribe to Big World Cinema.
Please subscribe to Big World Cinema.
Thank you.
I'm Stephanie and I'm 18.
Can you take your mask off? Can you take your mask off?
What?
Can you take your mask off? Because I can't really hear you.
Your mask off.
Can you take your mask off, please? Yeah. Lovely, that's better. Okay, you've got beautiful faces. It's such a shame. Okay, we'll start again. Hello, ladies.
Hello.
What's your names?
I'm Angel, I'm 19 years old. I'm Stephanie and I'm 18 years old.
Okay, so what are you doing in Cebu? You're students, yeah?
Yeah.
What are you studying?
We're both civil engineering students.
Okay, and what year are you in?
First year. August.
August, so you're very, very, very new.
Yeah, very.
And how is it? Are you enjoying it? You hesitated. Are you enjoying it?
It's quite tight. It's quite.
Is it lots of essays and lots of?
So much time. Many problems.
Oh really? And how many years is the course?
It's 4 years.
That's
And we're still in our first term and first year.
But you enjoy it though. It's a subject you enjoy, so that's great, isn't it? So
For us, maybe they're still scared about COVID-19. That's why they're cautious about themselves.
Okay.
We use masks because it is required in our school.
so you have to wear a mask in school. But now that you're on the street,
We take it off, but for preventive measures, we use it.
how do you feel about the fact that the Philippines is not open to tourism, really?
It's really sad because tourists make boost our
Bring money to the economy. Yes. So it's not great for the Philippines?
It's also not great for people bakay. For example, kung sa transportation, ay they don't have many passengers, kaya kasagaran sa passengers, kaya mga tourists.
And the jeepneys keep rising the prices every couple of months. Everything's going up.
Yes.
So without tourists, the economy is not great.
Kanang tourists helps a lot for promoting the kanang places.
Yes.
For many tourists that want here.
Yes. So you need to encourage people to take their masks off.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Hello. Hello, lovely people.
Hello.
What's your names?
I'm Calilona.
Rosemary Carrion.
And I'm Nick.
Okay, so how do you feel about the mask situation?
For me, feel good. Safe.
Right.
And you have freedom, either you wear it or not.
Most people are wearing it.
That's what we want here. It's up to you.
How do you feel about the Philippines not being open to tourism?
Well, it depends. I don't know the law here because, it changed a lot.
Yeah.
It's been a long time. I don't know what's the law in here.
Right. Well, the situation at the moment is you can't come in unless you're vaccinated.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you think that is doing to the Filipino economy?
Maybe an economy?
You know better than me.
No, it's just okay. I think. Because I'm okay now. All right. All right. All the economy.
No, this is Filipinos law. We don't know.
Yeah.
We cannot do anything about it because that's what our president wants, to have a mask
Yeah.
for our safety purposes.
Yeah.
That's okay for us. For me, it's okay.
Right. You don't live here.
I know. I
For me, I
told
want no mask.
You want no mask.
Why? Yeah, because it destroys my beauty.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But you shouldn't. So you should.
My total beauty cannot seen by other people. That's why I don't like to wear mask. But instead of the protection, well, it's okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
So you should encourage other people not to wear masks.
Yes, and encourage all people they have a vaccination and so that they never wear mask anymore.
Yes.
vaccination and booster.
Yes.
Yeah, for
Yes.
safety reasons.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Follow the requirements.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you. You've been lovely. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hello. What's your name, please?
Hello, I am Naya. I am 19 years old.
And what do you do in Cebu?
I live here and currently studying
What are you studying?
BS Psychology.
Okay, and how long have you done?
It's my first year.
First year. So you started September, or you started? And how's it going?
It's great.
Are you enjoying the course?
Yeah.
And how long does the course last for? How long is the course? How many years? 4 years.
I think people are just not being complacent about the situation, especially now. We still are in the pandemic, and this is the new normal, and everybody's normalizing the wearing face masks.
But they're still wearing them. I mean, for a month now, you've been allowed to take them off, but you're not taking them off. Do you see a time when people will start taking them off?
Maybe in the future, but not now, because I believe people are just being careful. Especially there are a lot of kids, especially for me, there's a lot of kids in our house. So I'm just really being careful, so I'm just wearing masks.
Okay, that's great. All right. As you saw in the video, the wearing of face masks has become such a daily habit over the past 2.5 years that Filipinos would feel self-conscious without wearing them and are reluctant to remove them. I even think that if the Philippines became fully open tomorrow and dropped all entry requirements, people in the city would still wear them. Probably from fear of catching the virus from outsiders. It's a very strange mentality, as when you go outside the city into the provinces, nobody wears a face mask. As if you can't catch COVID there. Go figure. If you liked the video, please could you like, share and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Take care everyone. Again.
Okay, bye-bye.
Do it again.
Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Please subscribe and like Bigg World Cinema.